Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make garlic cheese spread at home. Here I have taken 2 cups flour in a bowl. Now I am going to add powder milk. Here I am using Amul spray powder milk. Now I am adding 2 spoons of powder milk in it. Now I will add some curd. Here I am using Amul Masti Dahi. I am adding 4 spoons of curd. Now I will add a bit of salt. 2 spoonfuls of sugar. A little bit of baking soda. And some baking powder. Now mix all the things with lukewarm water and make a soft dough. Add some refined oil and mix it properly. Then apply some oil on the dough and keep it aside for 1 hour. In another bowl, take some melted butter and add chopped garlic and coriander leaves in it. Then mix it well and keep it aside. After 1 hour, make a ball out of the dough. Here I have divided the dough into 2 parts. Flatten the dough ball with your hands and sprinkle some dry flour on it. Then roll it to give it a circular shape like a chapati. After it's done, place the chapati in a plate. Then spread the garlic and coriander leaves mixture on it. Then sprinkle some chili flakes. After that, sprinkle some mixers. Then spread cheese on the half portion of the chapati. Here I am using mozzarella cheese. After it's done, fold the other half and attach the edges together properly. With the help of some water, it will be easier. After that, again spread some garlic and coriander leaves mixture. Sprinkle some chili flakes and some mixed herbs. Then preheat the oven for 2 to 3 minutes and place it inside the oven. Bake it for 15 minutes in 250 degrees Celsius from both sides. And ta-da! It's done. Keep it aside until it cools down. Then make small pieces of it. And it's ready to serve. You can try it with mayonnaise or sauce. Hope you like the recipe. Give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Kindly do like, share and subscribe to my channel.